Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a promo code. From the table screen, move to the left side and click on the menu button. First, click on Administration. A list of additional options will appear. From here, select Promo Code. You will now be taken to the promo code screen, where you can view all existing promo codes and their details. To create a new promo code, click on the Create New button. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter the promo code details, including promo code name, description, quantity, discount, service provider, start date and expiry date. After filling in the details, make sure to activate the status, and then click on the Save button. Your promo code will now be added successfully, and you can review all its details on the screen. And that's it. You have successfully created a new promo code in Spirit VPOS.